Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to take your edits to the next level with the Shake Flash effect in Premiere Pro. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those action-packed transitions. So without any ado, let's jump right in. As you can see, we have two video clips lined up on the timeline. To add the effect, head over to the Project panel. Right-click, select New Item, and then click on Adjustment Layer. Make sure the width is set to 1920 by 1080 and the time base to 25 FPS. Hit OK. Then drag and drop this adjustment layer right between your two clips. Keep its duration under 4 seconds. You can easily center it by holding Alt and tapping the right or left arrow keys. Next, select the adjustment layer and open the Effects panel. Search for the Shake Flash effect. You'll find it there. Just drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. This is a pre-made preset I've created for you, so don't forget to grab your free preset link from the description below. Let's play it back now. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? To make it even smoother, select all the layers, go to Sequence, and choose Render In to Out for seamless playback. Now check out the final preview. Super cool, right? If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.